So good morning, everyone. You can start the session. Okay. So let's see the for today topic. So that is going to further SAP Cloud uh, ALM administration. So everyone know that ALM is for the application lifecycle management. Okay. And when I'm coming to this, so currently everybody is focusing on the cloud. So, but who are able to learn these courses and what is the learning journey? So, you can go to one by one here. So, the topic it's going to further the learning journey of okay. So, learning journey of SAP Cloud ALM, either administration point of view or operation point of view or development point of view. What are the topics are they? So, that all I can go for one by one. So let's see here. See again here. Now I want to able to learning about the SAP Cloud ALM. Any person's able to learn is nothing but again no. Okay. So this course is not for freshers point of view. Okay. Again, so who are having a already having a so little bit experience about the SAP basis. Okay. Or who are already working from SAP solution managers who are already working for solution manager 7.1, 7.2 are focused to build. So those peoples are able to learn these courses. Okay. So means so she I'm a graduate to hire. I want to able to learning about this particular cloud ALM is nothing but no, at least you have the product knowledge will be required. So these are the basic recommendations are there. So whenever I'm just saying is I want to learning about the completely about this cloud ALM is nothing but so you have separate topics are there even as I mentioned that who are able to learn who are already working from SAP. Okay, the first one it is as I mentioned that here the experienced peoples. So you can say that project lead, okay, or you can go further, PMP guys, or you can go to test manager, okay, or solution architect, okay, so process owner, okay, or application consultant, okay, along with the developer, or it is going to further release manage. Okay, so these are the peoples are there. Okay, so these are the just basic recommendations. So whenever I'm working any so cloud point of view, these are the basic things are going to recommended. So who are just generally who are going to accessing from SAP this cloud ALM. So okay, but again here, what are the fundamental courses and how I can able to completing is attribute. So again, first thing as I told, you have basic knowledge about the cloud ALM. You can say solution by 7.2. Okay. So there you have, after completion of this, it is going to further. The first course is even this course is the when you're working for the active methodology, this course was there. So this is going to for CALM1. This is the first course. And so Sri, you mentioned one more person. Who's the one more person is nothing but as I mentioned it. So who are already working for the SAP Solution Manager. Okay, 7.2. Here you have one more focus build or focus run. Okay, so for these people, they will be able to learn. So when I'm coming to the Cloud ALM one, so what are this course is nothing but this course is basically for Cloud ALM in nutshell. Okay. So here you have the basic things about the cloud ALM and what are the evaluation of cloud ALM. Okay, so how they will be focusing the cloud ALM. Simply I can say the introduction of SAP Cloud ALM. and here who are involving, what are the implementation concepts are they. So these all topics are comes under for your cloud CALM one. Once it is completed, okay, after completion of this, you have one more course that is going to further CALM 20 was there. This course is doing is nothing but again cloud ALM. Yeah. So it is just a SAP Cloud ALM implementation. So here, how to creating a project. Okay. So where I can creating a project. Okay. So how the project is going to implement it and what are the phases are there, what are the blueprint, what are how I can plan. These all topics are there. Simply I can say the core or you can say full cycle of implementation of ALM. So here, as I mentioned, that project setup, requirement, test orientation, deployment, and even most of the implementation skills are comes under from this particular. Okay. After that, okay, it is going to further see ALM 30 was there. So basically, see ALM it is going to base it is basically for the transitions point of view. Okay, so day-to-day point of view, how I can go to transitions, like how the transmissions are going to happening to solution manager. Okay, and how the solution manager transmissions are there. This is comes under from the after completion of this day-to-day operation point of view, regularly monitoring point of view. Okay, so it is going to for CALM 40 was there. See, what is this doing is nothing but again, as I mentioned that here. So, operations and administration of your, yeah, it is the operations cloud ALM, SAP cloud ALM. Under you have the operations and support point of view. Okay, so support in the sense what happened here, the administration point of view, how you can able to monitoring. Okay, where you can monitoring. Okay, let's say real-time user monitoring, integration monitoring, business process monitoring, event and health monitoring, operations automations. Okay, especially for day-to-day operation point to the basis admin or cloud admin are supporting what are the regular tasks they're doing. This all will be involving by that. Okay, even few more courses are there, but SAP is not mentioned. So you can say that series of, okay, because of every year the SAP will be remove some of the courses and some of the courses will be gone. So, but the thing you can remember about the CALM courses, the series of CLM courses are like completely about the cloud administration and cloud support point. See, now I want to do the certification again, as I mentioned it, an SAP point of view. Okay, the certifications are okay divided into three types. Okay, any certification is starting with the C is nothing but associate level. Any certification starting with E is for expert level. Any certification starting with E is nothing but P is nothing but professional. That is the SAP architect level. So for this course, you have the certification that is going to for C underscore STC underscore 2405. So again, this is the for SAP certified associate. Okay, for solution. Okay, transition. Sorry, transformation consultant with SAP Cloud AL. Okay. See why the course is completely dividing into this particular transition implementation. Why the series is nothing but so basically here the SAP I can summarization here. So this entire Cloud AL. So they're dividing it totally 4 to 5 topics are there. For example, So SAP providing a some of the demo tenant also. If we go into this particular URL, that is the SAP public ALM for sorry SAP Cloud ALM for public demo. This is the trial access is provided from SAP. Okay, for to just do some kind of activity like how the cloud ALM is working and looking point of view, operations point of view, how you can do the product setup. So for this point of view, they are providing this access. Again, once you have to log on to this particular one, so regular basis, if you do any kind of project or something, the cleanup activities are going to happening after 3 months. Okay, and even here, the more landscape environment, how the production is there. So now I want to launch it. So just click on open. Now, I want to know what is the username and password here. Again, here, as I mentioned that, so here you have the different topics. So you remember, so I want to first course as per the discussion. What is the first course you're learning here? So CLALM, that is introduction. Now I want to go for implementation point of view. As I told that you have the course that is the Cloud ALM 20 was there, correct? Now, when I'm going to, if you observe this particular, if you observe this particular demo ALM demo content also, here you can observe here the topic. Part of the topics are the implementation topic, operation topic. So here you can say the course is going to the CALM 20, CALM 40, okay, and business transformation point of view. See, these are the major topics of your cloud ALM. So again here, who are involving from this cloud ALM here? As I mentioned that here, project lead, okay, business process expert, change manager, functional consultant, manager, project manager, and tester. So now I'm log on to project lead. Let's say just copy the username and password. Keep in mind, this is all about the demo content. They're providing you the trial access to you. You can practice it. So without without any kind of project support, everything is well. Now, if you go see the what are the query spaces are there here, or query groups are there here, implementation. Under implementation, what are the things are there here? Preparation and setup. Okay, here project setup, managing the scope, project hierarchy, and library. Now, if we go into the how to creating a project, designing, building, testing, and deploy. As you remember, SAP active methodology. Okay, so when you have to go total 6 phases are there. Out of the 6 phases, discovery, designing, okay, discovery, exploration, realization, and deployment. So those here prior preparation, guided procedure, task, quality, god, and this all I'll discuss later. Okay. Again, from the transition point of view. See why the options are not enabled here. You're just like help guides are there because currently I'm logging this particular user ID. Maybe you can log on to any transition user ID like Tina user ID. Yeah, you get the digital blueprint will be there. Okay, and so if we just become based because of here every user ID having a different authorization. So if you go to the operations, okay, only one is there. Right. In operation, what are the things are there generally here? In operation here, business process monitoring, and process consumer business. So why these all options are there? Because of currently I'm logging into the project manager. Suppose let's say again open the incognito. Now I can log on to the operation user ID. So let's say Janet. Log on to this user ID here. So based on the authorization, means when you work in a cloud ALMS, the security persons will be providing this authorization concept. In BTP cloud identity services, what are the options are same thing. See implementation point of view, same thing. Transition point of view, same thing. Now if you observe operation point of view, so currently I'm logging in the Janet. Okay. So previously I'm logged on to other user ID. So here only one tile is there. But if we come to the when you come to the normal one, here a lot of options are like monitoring and like business process operation. Again, Under operation, again, now I'm logged on to this. Suppose I'm logged on to health monitoring. So Lara. Suppose I'm going to job and automation, job. So real-time user and monitoring, hands. Likewise, we have different user ID. Each user ID have their own responsibility. Okay. So these all I'll discussing later one by one. Okay. So these are the learning journey. As I mentioned, after completion of this, so you can do the certification. Okay. So once if you complete the certification, so then you becoming a expert for the project management along with the cloud ALM administration. So this certification, the syllabus is as I mentioned it, CALM 20, CALM 40 is the most of this. So out of this, most of the questions you can say that 60% of the questions are comes under for the cloud ALM 20. So 40% questions will be comes under for cloud CLM and 40. Okay, so how to creating a project, including implementation, what other phases are there? Those all topic I'll discussing later. Okay, so this is the learning journey of SAP Cloud AL. So anyone having any kind of questions, so please let me know. So otherwise you can continue with the new courses. Okay, new topic. Okay.